So there's one that I've been waiting to do, and that's really on these bags. So these are the stretch style bags that I've been running on this bike, obviously since it's new. If you've been looking at bikes now, the CVO or the stretch style bags are going out of style. In 2022, if you got an ST Road Glide or an ST Street Glide, they had the short regular bags on that. And that's what I'm actually going to put on this bike today and show you a difference between these CVO style stretch bags and these bags that HR3Bagger sent to me to show you guys how they look, how the paint looks, and how it changes the look of this bike. I haven't even taken them out of the box yet. I got them just a couple of weeks ago. So you're gonna see them as I do as I pull them out of that box. The only thing that they can't have is this Harley Davidson logo on here because that's copyrighted, but this paint scheme, Vivid Black and Billiard Red, they can do that. And these do have that. The other difference is, as you can see, these are stretched here. They look really good. I've had people mistake this bike for a CVO, but I really want to get these standard size bags on here, and that's what we're going to have in this box. So I'm going to go ahead and start pulling these out, and then we'll show you what we got. So you can see, well packed. They're all covered in styrofoam, packed well, and they also have the keys right here for the saddlebag locks. I'll end up in the future either changing the locks out from my stock bags onto here, or I'll order another set, which you can do very easily from your Harley Davidson dealership. And then there's just a couple screws and you can replace those locks and just have the one key to unlock those. So now let me pull these things out and we'll take a look and see, one, how the dual color matches up, as well as how the quality aligns with these stock Harley Davidson bags, which if you had to buy those, they'd be very, very expensive. And I'll talk a little bit later in the video about the cost of these versus Harley Davidson. All right, so we've got these standard saddlebags from HR3Bagger out of the box and out of their packaging. And if I'm looking at this color compared to the Billiard Red that's already on the bike, I can't really tell a difference. It looks almost identical. And this Vivid Black with this little kind of alternative red pinstripe that goes around that these bags have on the bike stock looks identical. So I think the next thing we need to do, I'm going to open this up. These latches are identical to the Harley Davidson ones. It has the retention strap here. The interior looks good. It's nice and clean. All the hardware looks great. Got all of your rubber grommets and pads on the bottom of these so that they fit right on those rails. I am super impressed, and the quality of the paint, it's flawless. There's not a ripple, there's not a flake. It looks great, and this color looks like it matches up very well. So we got those on, guys. The fit is just right, perfect fit. I just reused the bolts that go into to hold the saddlebags on there. The fit was perfect. They're latching nicely. We'll try out the key, but again, all of my custom dynamics lights I need to replace on this, so I'll be putting some latch lights in here. I'll be replacing my low profile sequential bag lights back here. But overall, pretty good fit. This color lines up pretty well with the side cover. The one on that side's perfect. This side's off just ever so slightly, and I think more than anything, that's the way my saddlebag guards are set up, so I need to probably do a little bit of adjustment on that, and then I think everything will line up just perfectly. But overall, I'm pleased. And as far as the build quality and the paint, these look identical to the Harley Davidson, even to the point where they have the warning label inside here that matches what is that on the stock bags on the Harley Davidson. So overall, I'm pleased. And again, these are great. HR3Bagger has a lot of different colors. They have some of these unique color patterns. They actually have these in a stretch bag version, and I'll put a link to HR3Bagger in the description of this video so you can go check out everything that they have. The price point is $599 for a set, and as you saw, they were fully assembled. This color is incredible. It's a great match. If you want to check out HR3Bagger and all they actually have some complete body swap kits if you want to swap it out. They do have some of these replacement colors. They have a lot of different colors. They don't have all of the stock colors that you may get from some of the other aftermarket companies, but they do have a lot of these Harley-Davidson unique color schemes. So if you got something damaged, I think this is a great way to go. Again, these are $600. If you got these from Harley-Davidson, I'm gonna guess they're probably $1,200 to $1,500. Overall, I'm super pleased. The color is perfect and the fit was just right.